Welcome everybody to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience. Like and subscribe and comment below your thoughts to support this channel. Obviously, you do that only if you find this video helpful. We were talking about this monthly candle that since we closed Wingle the previous month and we closed below above this resistance, we will have potentially coming and tap these levels to the top left side. Now weekly also is coming up flipped, and then we filled this previous weekly wick. So now today we're gonna close, so it would be nice if we close below this level 2030 for next week to continue to fill this wick in this momentum. Other than that, we will see. Let's go on a daily and let's clean these drawings first of all, and let's have this resistance right over here. We have another resistance right over here, and we have a top of wick rejection right over here. We have a support right over here, and we can potentially remove this. So now from a daily perspective, yesterday we had no wick at the bottom, and we just move up and tap this previous resistance right over here. This is a wick rejection area, so I'm not really concerned about that. So at the moment, price is moving perfectly to form a wick, and then if we flip and break these highs here, we have potentially to fill this wick to 2070, which is 200 pips. But I'm not sure that today we have this core PPI news. No, this Thursday, I believe. We have this core retail sales and retail sales news and this, but I don't see these pushing this price on a Friday, especially after these 3 days of almost 600 pips move to the upside. So if we take that in, and for buys, meaning that for buys only above here, buys would make sense only above there. Other than that, I don't see anything for buys. On the 4-hour time frame, we can go ahead and see that price is breaking this most recent support. This was a range here, the resistance support. Now we're breaking above, so we have potentially to come up. We have a support here and a support here, so we have potentially to come up to this level. And then when we reach this level, we need to see if we get the closure below here, and then maybe we have a wick and then we flip. Maybe we will take some sells right over here, but these are very risky sells because price make the high, and now sells, valid sells would be only below here in terms of market structure. But we will see a smaller time frame if we get some confirmation. But also for buys, if we come up and form support here, and then we confirm that the support is high candle is being broken, we can look for buys also here. But safer buys are closure above here and there. For sells, we need to go and look on smaller time frames, because this is not, yeah, we have this support here, for example, right over here, and then these levels, I don't like these levels that much because we have another level right over here, and then we have another level right over here. So if we get the closure below here, then we have a wick, and then if we flip, we can take some sells potentially to this level, and then but overall if we break this level, we can have some sells also in this region. But with here we need to be very cautious, because here or here I'm also waiting for support to be formed to take some buys. But we will see how that will fold out, and yeah, we will check. Let's go on GJ. GJ on the monthly time frame is being still bullish. Weekly time frame is still bullish. Let's see how yesterday daily closed. Yesterday closed bearish, and then I said this, if we get the closure yesterday on our daily roundup yesterday, you can go ahead and watch. If we get the closure below here, then below this candle body, bearish closure, we can potentially see this wick fill and then potentially move to the downside. So this is a perfect move. If we get break of these lows here, I believe price will come up to this level for sells. For buys, I don't see anything from a daily perspective. Let's go ahead on 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we need a clean closure below because we tapped 1, twice, 3 times and we always bounce back up. So we need a clean closure below here for sells. For buys, I don't see anything only above here for buys would make sense. Other than that, I don't see anything happening on GJ. We have a support here target for sells if we get a clean closure below here, so we're gonna watch that, and that's the only position that I'm gonna look for because these are the daily lows broken, the confirmations are there, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna look for. But on the Friday it's very hard to get all that push because we failed to break this level much on higher volume days, so I don't see this coming on a Friday, but we will wait and see. Sales would have been very nice here on the break of the lows here, but I paid 20 for 40 pips. That would have been nice sales, but yeah, it is what it is. On gold again, we rejected this. Now we'll see if we get a closure below here, and then we're gonna see if it's possible to take some setups or not. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and I see you guys tomorrow or on daily roundup today.